What's up my people, welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. And my people, I'm gonna run through the intro because right now my whole talker phone and headphone setup it a give me a problem. So right now I even can listen and talk as all I want. So here we go my people, we have a bunch of things to share with you now.
You see it? When you can't prove me wrong, I'm just to be honest with you now. I feel like say, no big woman can be no. Like from you reach 50, you just for the mama and papa fuck. You can't bend over. Am I wrong? I'm say if I see another 50-year-old woman. Be a young drops them. Man. Everybody when I see I send me request, I be a young drops. Ah, this look like a big woman. Jesus. Hey, let me ask you something. How no data picture I have up on the profile? Me just ask, how no data picture I have up? Because if I own this a be a young girl, me I see right you say no? See one of my G them. Let me see what my G I say. Let me see one of my G. See one of my G them. So I'm a G this
Yeah, turn it on. Turn it on. Good night, Akeem. Welcome back. I'm so happy to see my son's face. I'm excited. I'm so excited. How are you?
I'm doing very great. How about you?
I'm doing good. I said, oh my, I'm so excited.
You just remember nobody want to ask you the question. Why you call me a son a while ago?
Oh, all right, Jesus, not to take you. All right, no, because that's how me feel. Can me just watch me evolving. That's what I root for my own son too. So that's how I feel.
But watch you know, big up yourself.
All right.
Thanks for every support you give me.
You're welcome.
I respect you and hold you for love and you're very beautiful.
Thank you. All right, blessings.
Big up.
All right, have a bit.
I can't ask her that, people. I can't ask her. She just called me her son a while ago and I just feel like say, yo, if I just say Miss Lady came, mommy, can't do that. Let me see who else me have. Landy. Jesus. Is that fluffy this? Landy fluffy. Alright then. Jesus Christ, me can't. Me I look for them. I'm searching. No man, that big woman look like a atted. Want a atted big woman over here. Big woman look like a atted.
Hello.
Hello, Karine. What's up?
I'm good.
How you doing? Where you from?
Jamaica, but I live in London.
You live in London. Your mom can't hear the accent. You know the question when me ask. By the way, the age? Can you look like 16 on the picture there? Your daughter picture that?
47. No.
Oh, 47? Sorry, Karine. You can't bend over. You have 3 more years left. Yeah?
Okay.
Yeah, 3 more. So use out the 3 years and no make your nigga sex with your partner, mama and papa, please. You have 3 more years left, so just loan back as right through. Alright?
Is it? Alright,
Got me a tell. Just loan back as right through.
I will try.
Alright then, and make up yourself. Have a splendid day. By the way, at what time in England now?
2:30.
2:30.
I'm at work. Yeah, I'm on
Oh, you're there at work. Alright then.
Yeah.
Go and take care of yourself.
Go and entertain me. Me there. Yeah.
That is it, man. What day you saw do the right, man. Big up yourself, yeah?
Alright, brother. Take care.
Alright then.
Alright. Bye-bye.
Tonight for the older ladies, you know. Tonight for my older ladies, them. And them may represent for tonight. So, make me see in the box again. Because what if you see somebody who can just prove my theory wrong? Portia kitchen, Jesus Christ. So somebody else have up then data picture you try trick with people. Hello, good day.
Hello. Hi, Akeem.
Hey, what's up?
What's up? Listen, I am 49. I'll be 15 March next year. Let me tell you something, Akeem. If me give you a backers, you won't regret. Let me tell you something. If I give you a backers as a big woman, soon 50, couple more months, trust me. Akeem, I we say young. So when me I give a backers, my man at 200 pound, right? Chest down on bed and body in her ear, arch the back. I have a while.
Let me check for you.
Okay.
September, October, November, January, February, March.
I'll be 50.
6 month time.
Yeah.
Just know say all of them celebration the way you have. All of them tough talk the way you have.
I'm not tough.
6 month time done.
You're crazy.
Listen, no, me be honest with you.
Akeem, no.
Portia
Akeem, we're
Portia your name, right?
Akeem, Portia's kitchen. We're flexibly in a bed. You send me turn it, send me I give my man.
Flexibly in a kitchen.
Listen, mine.
You have 6 more months left in a pretty girl.
No. My man have to beg me, say, easy no baby, don't whine too hard. When me I give him my back, I say, what you say, Akeem? A beer fish me eat and blend up the good juice. I want to tell you about 50. You're crazy. We have this like as a 49-year-old lady.
For some reason, me not believe you, you know. For some reason, yo, I'm gonna tell you. You see, oh yeah, tell me. You're just too confident. It's like, come like a self-praise.
The back shot are my favorite position.
Mama look by your page. Me I look by your page. Me I know if I lie, I tell.
Me not have no picture like that on my page. As I cook and Portia's kitchen, but I'm by position.
You look like a respectable girl.
Right.
You look like you can take no backers.
Don't talk for
me. Me not believe you. You give me a little Christian vibe.
A backers, me say, may I tell you.
Hey, my people, I true Akeem no know still. Maybe him just a run some joke and I say what him say still, you know. But yo, you see the big man them, no play with them. Some position where you never get in your life yet. Remember me tell you, the big man them want to cock up all pan some wall and them way there and put them foot as high as possible up in the ear and give her back as same way. You know that style eh? Yeah. The big woman they not play. Me G, take back your talk. You see me I say cause most of the big woman them not agile like the young girl them still, you know. But them experience. You see me? I remember, you know, from you do a thing over and over again, you know, you're perfect at it, you know. So the big woman them have more experience. Dog, you have to go try a big woman. You see me I say and find out how them deal with the young boy. Me I tell her that them a deal with the best because they want to keep you. Yeah?
Me I tell you, backers.
You think you're afraid?
Eh?
I think you're afraid.
Afraid of what? A backers are my position, I'm telling you.
No, you can't look so innocent. One bad girl big up. No, sorry. One bad girl big up man like from Tivoli. You look innocent.
Alright, trust me.
It just and you see if you can bend over now, you have a whole 6 months ahead of you. You see what I'm saying? You have a whole
Akeem, 50-year-old lady, we can bend over. Stop, we can bend over. Trust me. All right.
It's like my theory I forgot prove wrong in the night. I'm still a search.
All right, still search. Have a good night, Akeem. Big
all
up
right,
yourself.
same to you and keep
right.
something there. Yeah, man. Keep beautiful. Big up.
Guys, you brought me up here, Akeem.
Sweetie, you're from England. Oh,
yeah, good morning. How the devil are you?
Huh?
I pop in English on you, Akeem. How are you, dear?
I'm doing fantastic. How about you?
Akeem, what make you never get Rosie the backers? I have to ask you. I have to. I'm sorry. I'm a big woman, you know. I'm going to be 60 in 2 weeks. And I can bend over still. Just putting it out there.
Well,
Me will rough you up, you know, Akeem. Me like little men, you know. I would listen, Akeem. I would play with you like me little dolly. Yeah, like my Ken. You hear about Barbie and Ken? Or you not old enough to know about Barbie and Ken?
can you bend over?
If me can... Ben over is my middle name.
Turn on the camera.
Me in my bed, Akeem, me now 2:30 in the morning, and England cold, me now come out of my duvet. But you can come into it. Don't mind me, a old foot talk, but me can bend over. Akeem, I'm coming over there soon for my birthday, so don't play. I'm gonna watch. I'm going to make all these ladies, I'm going to set you up on a real mampy. I have a mampy friend out there, she can bend over, she can twist, she can rock. If you really want a sexy fluffy, I'm going to make them see every, I'm going to say, look what happened to Akeem. Pick you off the tree like a cherry. Show me the back as you're going to do, Akeem. Because you look like, you know what you would look like you keep talking about big girls. I mean, I think you can manage them, to be honest, you know.
You think so?
I don't think so, baby. Because that little, bend over, let me see how you did. I got tackle it from behind it.
No.
You see how you did I got tackle it?
I think that's
you never tackle it right. You understand? Because with a big girl, you have to have 1 foot up on the back of the bed, there, so. And hold her around the waist. Grip it tight, you know, Akeem. Tight. And then you pump the iron.
But me's a emotional youth. Suppose me not like.
Yes, you talk. You love talking, you know. You have to talk in your ears.
Me I say to you, say, sweet pea. Me's a emotional youth. Suppose me not like slam hard, fuck her. Me not like that.
No, you have to do little hard and little slow and little loving. You have to mix it up. And then everything start, you hear about the squirting and all those things. When everything mix up nice, that's when that happened, Akeem. Oh my goodness.
This sound like something you have fantasized about, though. Are you?
You can fantasize at 60, Akeem. I've been there, done that, wear the t-shirt and making the film.
Okay, I got you. But
so I'm going to write the book and teach you 1 or 2. I'm going to line up my mampy friend for you.
No.
You're frightened. You see me say you're frightened.
No.
People say Akeem run from the fluffy them.
No, I know.
Lord.
My relationship, no 100% mash up in.
Oh, shh, don't talk so hard. Them will hear you.
We talk.
Yeah, no, because we are going to write a long blood clot. 1,000 page. The police them need to go to Rosealee tomorrow go do a blood test on her. Make this blood clot sink in. You can't want to analyze your child? Where you can't come because of Akeem? When the police them go down there tomorrow, Rosealee, make certain say then give you a blood test. And I hope Jake dead if you see the kids them true. Because you need to get charged for attempted. I want to you. Cool down, my girl. You wreck yourself. You're wrecking yourself. Where the fuck do you? And one thing me I tell you. Cool down. Cool down. There's no way. You're supposed to do what you do. And the people them find it acceptable. Me don't know which other man pan the app I go take up phone, you know. But my job, I have to take up for the kids. Nobody else don't want to do it. So I come out here on Wednesday. You know, I post my picture this morning. TikTok block my picture. And say I must take it down. Because Akeem never want me put up in picture. Or Rosealee never want to pick up them picture. I'm have to write one long paragraph. And they release my page. Because them never want me talk. So here me I do. You see, for the people them who have any good thing to say to Rosealee, how them feel about how Rosealee behavior, I would like uno to find the box before me come off. Tell me what you think. Tell Rosealee your feelings I want to expect her as a mother. This youth Akeem cannot be around in them people's life. It cannot continue. It is not acceptable. No way farmer shape. How the fuck you want analyze your child them? Because of a man you can't get and you will never, ever, ever, ever get. Because the man a girl and you a girl. A homosexual behavior that you do with Akeem. In a balance. In a balance. So if you don't want to talk to her for me, I don't want nobody come cuss me. You no cuss one, you see we come out of fear mouth. Because my mouth light. And anybody try to tell me something wrong tonight, no matter gonna be the first word come from my mouth. I'm gonna wish death upon you. So you not do it. We are talking about Rosealee, Jakes, and our kids. How did we get here? And how we gonna get out of this place? Because we had already called CD.
Hey, my people, me not lie you still, you know. When me hear the recording with Rosealee, I say she feel like she would dash with unalive GX and the youth them. You know what I mean? Me I say, I wonder if Rosealee really hear herself. Me don't know if I caught up, them get caught up in like this fiction thing where them are go on with on the internet and don't really pay a mind to what them a say. I know say there's consequences for enough of the things them when them come out come say, because saying something like that, you know, that's your own words, you know, and your own words can defile you, you know, and send you away, you know. You understand? So the officer them have a reason for God the yard again, you know, one of my people. So uno wait and see something like that I go on, cause somebody when you like her, I go send them a yard. You know what I mean? And you could as end up where them take it to a level where, you know what I mean, Rosealee no want it go. So let me know what I think. Make go watch some more.
They are ready. We ask them to go over there and help the child. The letter where we write, it thought till you could have reached up a garden house. Because Rosealee don't think the Prime Minister don't hear about it neither. He did hear. All him cry tears, he did hear. So them he did hear. You need help, and we are reach out to help you. And you make water drop out of my eye when what come out of your mouth. And one normal blood clot feeling. Don't think the Prime Minister don't hear. He hear. All the recording we cut and paste, and we put it on the labor right page. So I'm here. So if I help you want, I help you I go get. If I move you want, I move you I go get. But everybody who I give you, if you are trying to come in, just hold on a little. Everybody who I give you, when they give you, they explain to you, because liar never do you nothing. You don't understand when people say right to you, you take it for wrong. Them a tell me today, are you that? In your character, out of your character. You understand? And it has to stop. You cannot continue to go on this way. I'm not going to accept it. Me not take it. If any other man take it, not this hammer ya. Me have a hammer it you. So people may tell you no. I only have one moderator. And if anybody say shit up here to me, when me I try save Rosealee, pick me them. Me I go wish tonight, bad luck for your 40-fold. So uno no come with it. We are talk to Rosealee. We are look help for Rosealee and our kids them. As she said out her mouth and on me.
Me can't pretend, you know. Cause me not fake. So, me can't pretend. No tell me no calm see. No tell me no calm see. Me can't pretend. If me come and me there now go good things trigger me off. Me can't pretend cause me not fake. Me can't pretend. So if 3 mil, if 95,000 $1 give away, and me forget if it be fake, me don't know how me gonna do that. Me not gonna get none. Me not gonna be everybody's favorite cause me cannot pretend. Me can't come and sit down and pretend I'm happy I'm not. Me cannot do it. Me can't pretend. Moderator, look up the fine Chad. Chad did nice, you know. Won't you look up and see Chad in the blood clot blacklist? No, me can't pretend. Me sorry, me can't do it. Won't you know? Won't you say to me, I pretend? Me say, me can't pretend. No, for sure, me can't. I cannot. I can't. I can't. Because you see it. I can't pretend me love. Me sorry. I can't. Won't you look over see Chad? Moderator look over and see my man Chad and take him out. We can't play back 2 games with Chad. Can't pretend. Me not doing enough for blood clots so long I pretend like me a mascot. No, me can't try that neither. I cannot. Pretending is when you are fake. You know, understand the lingua. When you pretend it's your fake and people can see, real people can see right through it. Now get this internet thing twisted. That's why they carry them class me over the world. Me still have my team. Real people can't pretend. Me cannot. Me cannot. If you feel like say people, some of the blame on a fucking idiot. Some people can't see through, say fake. Real people see that. Me can't pretend, me not go pretend. But I caught me upon that one, me not go pretend. So here what? Moderator look if I see Chad in the black, me can't go can't pretend, me not go do that. Me can't do it. Me cannot and me will not. Me can't pretend to me like somebody. Me can't pretend to me hate somebody. Sometimes in life, me wait until people do me the things them. Me wait until people do me the blood clot things them. Then, you see my last shot. Me can't pretend, me never pretend it. Everybody come around me, me love them. When the whole of them over there come to about and I tell them, oh, me I chat them. Me I chat them, I tell them.
Alright, my people. So, with the pretending part, everybody can pretend. You see me I say, everybody can pretend. But, some people can't pretend for too long. So maybe Rosealee are the type of person that can't pretend for too long. You know what I mean? And do not like to pretend. But you have to pretend sometime. You understand what I say? Like me, you know, I can't pretend for too long, you know. You see me? Yeah, we can't do it for too long. Eventually, whatever in me I go come out. You see me I say? But let me know what I think, my people. I can watch some more.
Me have to say, me never pretend yet. Me never pretend yet. If me not like and me I give a chance, with me. I just saw me stay. Won't you know me? You come like 2 peas in a pot. Virgo know me, Toto know me. I can't pretend me love me, sorry. So all I would think I'm gonna pretend for you, me can't pretend. I'm not even not go there. Try to focus. Won't you not take a child out? If I want me to walk out your blood clot trad. So me can't, I would this say. I can't pretend. So make him stay over there. I soon come because you don't have no manners. Me soon come because you don't have no manners. You don't have no blood clot manners. One night my other not pure thing you go out with me not depend that with you so you don't have no manners. Problem which are me yard. I show me know the internet as well. I tell Akeem say you can't follow them over here. They are wicked. They will tell lie upon me, they will tell lie upon you, they will tell lie upon anybody. They are liar. It's pure lie, some of them walk and tell. You can't follow them, tell them over and over and over and over and over. All people used to sit down and pay much tell lie upon them one another. I saw them crazy over here. But tell him, you can't follow them. Instead of them call the second to last call when them call CDA. Them call CDA until they say me Rosealee and fuck pa live in front of my pity them. Woman come at me and I say what after them. So me says one nice young pretty girl. Mr. Pretty girl, wait, I'm gonna do no way I say. We've got a complaint about you. I say, what about me? You are having intercourse on live. I say, what miss? I say, miss, look at my good. Look at my Kaylis. I don't believe it, you know, but I still have to do my work. I say, look at my good, miss. I look at my Kaylis. If me want grind whispers out there, so 2 hours for all $2,000. Part full time for $9,000. Say me want, if me want, come here, shy. Come me kill this. I don't know where you really do your son. One, walk with grace. If me want go grind, me no go grind. Come here, girl. But I rate a black some of them no man, black them no man, black them no man. If me want go grind, me no go book my hotel room. Want to go grind? Why would I want to grind in front of my kids? How can I export what I do to my kids? I'm careless. But the man tell me there for work. Black them. I'm careless. What can I sit one in front of my pit? I'm careless. Tell me you can upset and come vent. You can upset and call me too. We have a real conversation. I'm still away for one real conversation for you and Akeem.
Fresh drop.
I care where you want to go and say. I have one real conversation. A real conversation lasts for more than 20 minutes, 10 seconds, 14 minutes, 30 minutes. Real conversation lasts for hours. I still wait on it.
Fresh drop.
I still wait on it. Yeah. Every though we have to have a real conversation. Because what? It's true, I'm a very emotional bad. I'm a very emotional girl. You see, I have my friend. I want a real conversation from my friend. So put away me. And what the whole of them say. Me want you, me am mad over you, me want fuck for you. Put away all of that. We are friends. I want a real conversation.
Fresh drop.
Yeah. Click like money get your reply to when you feel like. Because you say you're in a depression and you're hurting. You're in a depression and you're hurting, and you're in a depression and you are hurting. And we'll do the live Wednesday. We'll do the live Wednesday. And when we do the live Wednesday, the people them say what they want to say. Because I can tell you. I can't tell you. People say a lot of things about me that I don't even care. And people say a lot of things about me where me no care. And when people say things about people that I don't even care, you're not getting nothing, you're not even get a reaction. I'm not even care. I'm not listen to you. This a series that could have been a go further and further and further and further when a bag of people at chat. Whether it want to be positive or whether it want to be negative. But what, we are two different people. You want your free time, you want your time, your free time, your me time. You want to circle by the group and come back. That's a Libra. I let me stuck right here. Say so when me a searcher in a life, which is love. Me can't go find it. Me never get it out of Jakes. I'm gonna tell me can't find it out of Akeem because Akeem care about himself. You want to do what you yourself you care about. You want your own space, read this, that. Even if a man and a man do business. Business meeting call, yeah, you talk to your business partner about business at all times. So you don't leave them hanging. You come and say a few words on the phone and that's it. Not more. We're not gonna have one real conversation. You can't do this here. And that's why I come ball out this series because we can't have a real conversation. We can't have a conversation. We not have that. We not have that then. Because Drake's teach me a lot. Me's a person like this track. Me's a Gemini. Imagination. Me can't tell a man about coming after him. No? Me can't tell a man about coming after you. Me can't even entertain my suck argument. I'm not suck good. Me can't entertain a lot of stories of me nah do. I don't something. When reality let me draw away.
Well, people, me know what to think because it look like Akeem him over everything right now. You see me I say, him they just want to give the place a breeze and then him forward block and just, you know what I mean, pick up which part them left off. You understand me I say, and tell me, only think Rosealee deserve like a conversation or only think no? Tell me only think.
I do that, I saw me stay. But I will entertain the conversation. You know what I mean? I said, me don't entertain the conversation. I just you know, I just entertain the conversation. I know I'm not a shit. I just laugh to myself. I don't want one of the characters I have what I like. I just saw me stay. We in this together. You look at you alone in together. You don't think about yourself. Me not busy. Me no want someone to get it twisted. You know. Me not busy about your interview. You know. You know what me think, what me care about? Me I think about my feelings. When I tell myself that I never have yesterday, me I find it. We're not going to have one real conversation. I know you don't call me and me I call you. And you say the press me, you Jamaica. You got 420, you say the press, you got 420 Friday. You say the press, you can't, you got Jamaica Sunday. You say the press, you got an interview. When we going to have a real conversation? You know what you're going to do? You're going to come back and tell me, because of this way I work with you, that can't work, yeah. So, two bulls can't rule in a one pen. Me not like when people rule me. You can't tell me what to do. So, for future reference, if we not have a good conversation, because I can love my friend. I cannot kiss my friend. If we not have a good conversation, I don't see which part this I go. So, I'm going to tell people when I love and hip hop. We need a real conversation. See, my you can go up on J-face conversation, go sit down and talk for an hour or 2 hours. Come pick me up and we'll sit down and have a real conversation for an hour or 2 or 3. It can't work, so. I'm going to come from social media. Oh, yeah, show me I need the bus. Me not sure I need the bus. Me don't want talking in a rage. Me don't want talking in a rage. Me's a very emotional person. Me love all my friends them too. So put away Danes. Put away Danes. Me love all my friends them too. You can't think about yourself alone. Me's a broken person by what Jakes do me. Kind gestures is nice, but that I need more. You know what love is? You know, someone not talk about love. You know what love is? Love can come in many different forms, you know. I spend time with my friend, you know. Akeem, I gotta spend time with my friend, you know. I mean, spend time with them. Spend time. As long as I spend time with my friend, spend time. You said me have 8 hours, me give my friend if I even want throw tight. Me spend time. I think you work out chat. No, for true. I'll deliver them. Selfish, only about themselves. Deliver them selfish, only about themselves. And when they're ready, them go about them business and them feel, when them feel like them come back warm and everything I go again. That is how that's a Libra. And beer, blood pressure with a blood clot. Come on. blood clot. You have to have much about things here. Mash up them blood clot. Don't say watch us at our let it coat the blood clot glass. And sometimes the pressure just see that more man crazy just mash up like the place of fire.
Chester drunk on my glass. Eh? Chester drunk on my glass. I just want if Chester drunk. I just
Scab up jakes and stop the pitty and just everything just done over with.
that party at night.
Mash up them blood clot. Don't say watch us at our let it coat the blood clot glass. And sometimes the pressure just see that more man crazy just mash up like the place of fire. Scab up jakes and stop the pitty and just everything just done over with.
But I want to say something about this, but I don't know more to say because everything just fade for the media. Everything just fade for the media. So, it seems as if Rosealee is crashing out. People will be telling us something. Rosealee not crash out. Rosealee ain't crashing out. She not crash out. You see all of this? And because Akeem get attention and I do all the interview. It's when they talk so they make the people them use and not set up destructive. When they talk so they make the people them use and I cause all of this. I cause all of this. She use jakes now. Are you remember go get them? Are you remember me find love with people after the internet? Rosealee, if jakes chop you up for less than that, then all you can see now. If jakes are kick out the light on you understand that for simple things. How jakes are gonna make you sing in front of them and talk about is it make you go find love on the app? Is it make you a flirt with people? The whole one is a set of teeth, one a little bit boring. What's the way I try though? I try all the station for yourself now. Because and some gunman he must spread film wings and he's a butterfly, you know. He must spread film wings and he's not a butterfly, he's a caterpillar. He's a caterpillar. Yeah, he's not a butterfly. But through him spreading wings now, nobody not see no attention, no depend, you know. You know, no care how much people are watch you and some gunman have it down the gifts them, you know. You don't see it. You don't see him alone could have said, babes, I'm apart for this and jump on life and make a money and come back. Then what's the reason why you never jump on life too? And make a money. I tell you, like, when I open the big stinking crutches, you know, wouldn't like it. You know, can't jump on life and make a money to fear is fear, you can. So tell me the truth now. I get up in your head, Rosealee. I mad you. I make you come on the internet and chat shit and I throw you pin them under the bus, stop. Go on here, Rosealee. One a little bit of that firm girl. I bounce back over this, you know. I bounce back over this. I mean, I don't have 3 fingernails and 2 fingernails, you know. I bounce back over this, bounce back. Nothing real. Rosealee not crashing out. She not nothing at all. Every year the same thing. Every year the same thing. When I'm not jakes a batter your Akeem a break your heart. Go on here. This is my question. I'm going to go deeper. You see, even though Rosealee pretend she want Akeem for sex time. You see, if Akeem had given, Akeem could have sex with Rosealee. Who remember when time I say, I pay unwanted cocky used to go in a Rosealee. Rosealee would have sicker than parroting. I pay homeless food sex Rosealee. Who did hear me say that? Okay now. When Rosealee sit up on the internet and class people say them a batty man and how them take care of batty man, I want to ask a personal question. I just want to ask a personal question.
Alright, my people. So, tell me what you think in the comment section. We are going to watch a bit more and then we are going to move on to the next one, people.
Why you a fight over a body with them style in a body? Why? Make it make sense. So all you sit up on the app and you talk this. That's why anything Tiki say me believe when him say drop off him soldier them in and them dead in the war. When I ask you anything Tiki say me believe. It's true. Because when I tell the people them say everybody used to dry your stinking hole, they never believe me. They never believe me. Because you are so pressed about getting a cocky that you sit in the chair down a sea view in the dirty house and style every boy as batty boy. And how much girl you cuss and say I pay batty body then girl they take batty man run up and down. So why you beg for your batty body run up and down in your after you sit down in your chair and you hear batty a call upon him name? Why you want to offer up your pum pum as a sacrifice to do? Why? You hear them attack, you even call the boy batty boy too, but yet still you fight over the batty cocky. Make it make sense, Rosealee. You see, if me never talk early, you and Akeem would have show it down today. If me never talk early, I show me talk early like me and Shirley. I just show me talk early. And you me never talk early, you and would have show it down. So right now you want this track beam performance with your foolery. Rosealee, I told you you and GX, then GX not changing now, do not better, and him now go work for mine, you. Where you really a fight over? What kind of break GX can break your heart? Huh? You cost them and say, man not give certain girl money. Anything for the top sound was so true. Anything there so for the top sound was. You can say girl not give man money and 12 years later with this teeth and him having a garbage pan. 12 years later with this teeth and a garbage pan you reside to. You tell me the truth. I know you come and talk about say you remember this and you remember that him could have never made me do nothing. Right now you and Jakes to be party. You and Jakes to be party. Eh? Tell me the truth with that love. You are the only one when I see come and boast over 12 years and nothingness.
Yeah, do promo DM me. So then time them that try have an you know could name this and that for post my contents them. So me see you something, me text you, then time they are NCB, me not you know like NCB, yes. And me text you and me send me this wanted do a promo for me. And me send everything and I think it was like $35, something like that this say you go do. But when I send like the payments plan, it come in a Instagram small, so me not see. So me I tell her say, me not see it, just can't send me over this and that cause me the guy banker you say, my girl, we don't do nothing. Clearly, I say me no want do it, you behave aggressive. So me I say really, I say this day. So if anybody that do it promo, so you not do it, why me I go send the money and you behave like that? So that me say. So from then time, them me not like you again because you're one girl and me always like cause people always say me you look alike. You know, you know.
So you still not like me? No?
Me not hate you. Me not hate you.
So you forgive me? I love me up.
Me not have up your life gone.
Alright, well, I'm sorry if that happened and I don't remember, but I'm sorry. And I hope you can find it in your heart to forgive me.
Yeah, alright,
and
man.
I hope next time when I see you don't say, you know, me have beef because we don't.
Okay.
So, right.
I don't like you, no, please.
Eh?
No, me I said Jayden look like you know, please.
Hey! Lord,
Cause you know the problem start and you start skin out your foot. You not get to skin out your foot.
What did you say about you? What did you come about you?
Ross. You not hear me?
I was like gone.
Yeah, me not know. All life is gone. Hold on.
Big B starting up. Big B starting up.
No, I know.
Alright, my people. Let me know what you think in the comment section. We're going to watch some more.
That got me, you know. What the freak happened? I not like gone. Oh, what happened just a while ago?
Oh, more rich life you gone. No, sir. Me never see them girl.
Me not understand.
Me never see them girl like they gone yet.
I know that happened, man. Me see what happened. Turn the light, it go. I hope you saw rain fall every damn day. I know like gone, I ring light, plug out, and the light lock off. Me don't understand. I do some different type of bulb me a being, you know.
Mama Rich, how you feel about Destiny?
What do I, me? Afraid I am. Afraid of Destiny, me. I'm afraid.
You're shame Jayden again. You look like Jayden I try carry in, but you're floppy shoe.
Lord Jesus. Lord God.
Yeah, you want somebody with us to cut people for him. So you can cock up people to skin out and laugh. But to how you roll right now, it's going to drop your company.
So me have to go start. Just cuss them and not care.
And if they cut your back, it no matter.
Alright. Alright.
So how you talk?
Oh.
How you talk? How are you, man?
Bad.
Yeah.
Me have list tongue, so sometimes words them not come out properly. So you can't help you, queenie daughter. So me can't sit that one out till the next one. Good me and Shane have nothing.
Not true that shit?
We're going to stop there by the nearly door.
Huh?
Shane move right.
Yeah, so she move when she likes somebody, yeah?
Jayden. What me do?
I want thing with Mama Rich, no people stay now.
No, me there, man. No, me.
You're not chill.
No. So me always chill.
No, you never chill.
Never chill.
No, me always chill. Just people just trouble me and me good. But if you not trouble me, me chill. But if you
I lie, Shay.
No, so me say for real.
Media, me say na mix up one problem and then come boy you.
Of course. Me not trouble people. You don't know me. Me not trouble people. Me always chill and relax. Me with the writer so. Me speak when me are spoken to, so me just sit down and relax until you address me. But me not really talk. Unless you fuck with me talk.
So Mama Rich, I believe that?
Yeah.
Well, if I saw say, you know, I believe, kill, I can't believe what you want to believe.
You don't believe at all, man.
Okay.
You don't believe neither?
She just cuss my different argument at me in the media and talking. So I ask her a question now. Jesus.
Ask the question, but make sure you can prepare for any answer.
Yeah, me can't prepare for anything, but
what best thing?
I want to impress why you love Penny up the most. See, I'm like, you have Desmond and Ivany and Shay and...
Who me love Penny up the most? Who?
Eh?
Who? I never have a bestie on TikTok before.
Yeah, Rosealee are bestie, and I love each other.
What?
Rose.
I've never spoken to that girl. We never have a conversation yet. What?
I don't always
Oh, I don't know what you're talking about,
Rich, who you think who trouble who first?
Don't make Jayden bring in a battle. You hear? Because it's when you have a battle, you alone in there. Now take you out. Hold
on. Me kind of what kind of battle can Jayden put me in, because I've been on the internet.
The same put in a one you know.
So what I do? Let me go to the point. The only thing when I go come beat up on the chest, so cool this and that. What does that do? When on a star course on a beat likes and on
no.
Why not go do me used to immediate? So you can't bring me down. When you go
that's all them can do. Say so good
this and that. But sell 25 grand.
No, wait. Me and you say me no know.
You sell 25 grand for true?
Sell what front?
You just you sell.
Me say that you can't cost me that and say myself front for 5 grand. So I'm just saying.
Oh, we never know that.
Oh,
so me don't know what she talk about. Me last.
Shay. So your boyfriend I used to talk to you time when they did a nice big house. You and him left now.
Who that?
I don't know about the man we used to do in a spacious house. You and him left? You wanna break up?
Me never have one man, you know, so you have to be specific.
Yes. The time them you say is a smart girl, can you make your boy put you in a nice, you know, a big upstanding glass house.
I never input me in the deer.
And you put yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, so you never talk with nothing, no liquor, nothing?
Of course. So what problem?
No problem. I'm just ask.
You don't want no business. Ask me.
You have to ask about your
mother now.
Eh? My mama not for a long time.
You live by yourself.
The last time I checked me here said a Destiny take job for a house. So I don't know.
I say I go Smaddy, I fit text Smaddy. I'm still alive, I look good.
Okay.
Back to the, alright, yeah. I want to move with the dirty blood clot. Everybody, hold on, pause. Everybody who has a Kiki, leave me alone. Skin out, Jayden, skin out.
Alright, my people, so let me know what you're thinking at the comment section. We're going to watch some more and then we're going to move on to the next.
What is a Kiki? Whatever they tell me.
Tell me if you lift up, when you love you mix up.
Don't lift up, you're afraid of them, cuss them too.
Alright, back to you now. What did I say? If me dear my mother.
If you move out.
No, me live on one from your 15, you know, D. You should have been wise like me, D.
Yeah, but my wiser than you, cause
you're no wiser than me.
I don't grade still Kiki.
No, D. You see, you're wise like me. You're not wise like
Kiki, me wiser than your babes, cause
no,
you take as an insult still in a Kiki. Where your daughter there? You have her now?
No.
Okay, so you can't wiser than me no time. Come here, my tree them right here, so.
How would I say?
Your little one still there.
D, you know me I say no. You better have what? Listen, me talk, don't disturb me.
You can't tell me disturb me, but in time.
Alright, you better have one. I see 2 man feel me. Me not gonna make them feel me 2 times. Better me take my daughter. Give somebody and say me I go set my life. Keep my daughter. Me still in my daughter. You better me have one picnic.
You gone back to
me
board.
You better me have one
picnic. You in a glass. You still never have your youth.
No, D, better
you gone back to board. You still have your youth.
Be like, me no want end up with 3 a man.
Kiki, you wish. Kiki, the 3 of them belongs to me husband. Can you spell husband, Kiki? And one man get the 3 of them. And him no feel me and them no feel me. You have one youth and can't find her.
Funny, I go to
a glass house and end up back in a come over here, come blood clot, come to blood clot. You think me that make you slide? You would have make you slide, but you go too far. When you come blood clot,
people pick me for that side, they pick me some.
Go suck off your mama.
You better make me pin it off of media. Do you understand? You put your pin on media.
My pin is not on the media, baby. My pin is not on the media. And if them on the media, them suits are girly. Brother, them on the media more than missing the action like girls. Kiki, you tell MIA. Kiki, you pick me MIA. You pick me MI blood clot A. You can't argue with me about picking. You're picking the MIA. Go ahead.
What MIA mean?
Missing in blood clot action.
I get the message.
I'm don't argue with you now. Leave she alone.
Me get the message. Yes, so me get to understand with woman on the internet.
Yeah, but you want to come to people, you can't take comfort, Kiki. Remember people know you so you story to have your file, girl.
Let me mute you.
Let me mute you back then. I'm mute for blood clot mute. If you want me to tell you, I'm going to tell me.
You see? Fry and a woman they argue.
I'm mute for blood. Mute to girl shade. Mute to blood clot girl shade.
I lowest you can go in a life.
Oh, she a come for this thing. Cause she feel like somebody no remember blood clot.
Guys.
You are feeling MIA. I'm not trouble guys, but I saw Kiki and Kiki love trouble people. I saw it and he made Jayden and mix him up and he know say Jayden I gotta speak him up.
But me just say it to her, me just say you're not afraid Jayden.
I said Jayden I gotta pick him up and drop him in the hot seat and left him.
Because she has said
she don't know me. I remember say me and her are not friends.
No, but chat, remember say she don't know me, you know. She don't know me. She don't.
I'm like her,
she don't know me. Me not trouble people, so she say me so quiet. So me I say me always quiet. It's just that you have to just fuck with me for hear my mouth. But me always quiet. Everybody know that. Just mess with me and then me talk. But me now.
So wait, I'm ask Kiki some. Kiki, look what when you cuss about picking him, I never cuss about picking it tonight. Why we talk about picking?
Nobody never talk bad about a picnic them. What me this about picnic? Cause it come like me a sharp memory. Tell me.
You look like you have sharp blood clot memory picture. Shay, innocent, see the one me picking them too.
What me say? What me say? The two I say MIA and she say man left you with 3 people.
Like you say, oh you say you breed 1 time. You would have breed 3 times like me and something like that.
Yeah, she but nobody never say picnic we just a use for example. No, that sound that you like
I don't cuss me a cuss you know, me not
argument. Yes, when you're not getting if somebody said to me, say that is an insult, that is a shade, and if somebody said to me, say, I'm in a breed 3 times and 1 time I breed. They have 3 picnics, so that is direct command. No, we're not done. It's common. Of course, that's a shade. Yes, that is insult. If somebody say I breed, me not breed 3 times and 1 time I breed. No, me not like that part there. That part there make me feel that way. Every day, me tell you this every day. You better not go say me say. 10 rows. 10 rows chat. That's our insult. That direct your folk. Guys, everybody send a rose.
Him hot.
No man, I
oh,
alright. Go take man and grind and carry the money coffee. Double guys, double. So how you do everything right in the book and still not end up with the man. A man feel you that. The last time me hear upon her level when she say for her son turn Batman, I think her destiny she that cause. And she say for her son turn Batman, she should him back up in her. Me I said that woman and son homophobic.
I used to take on the blood clot girl and I cuss the girl for you. I did the silent.
Yeah. No, but me can't get in a word. Because the last time me hear
Alright, Che, get in the word.
When them say destiny take away our man.
Che, get in the word now, Che. Get in the word now.
I don't say.
So Kiki, destiny take away a man for 2. I see your son.
Me not know. And then she cussed the boy and said the boy a batty man. And pay things and pay things. You know a story time, my God. You bring down
Shay, all of them think away in a say it now. See her now.
Me say she homophobic. Yeah. Oh, you. With who? Everybody. What homophobic mean? Me kind of slow. Homophobic means you judge. You judge a lot. The gender, if man want take man, you judge them. If woman want take woman, you judge them.
No, that have nothing to do with me, baby girl.
No, you homophobic. Last time you hear your class, Destiny, you say.
Shay, let me talk, Shay. So one time, I was very homophobic.
But you still...
Listen. Me not business, bro. Me not business about nobody.
Me not business no more.
Me not business no more.
But one time here by your life, I said...
Yes, it was true. But in the idea, everybody have their life to live. And a Batman run the world in a hotel, embassy, airport. We have to go through them. So we see them and leave them alone.
Yeah. And he will say, all right, that man, I listen. Mr. Rose, listen. Because me, you go through the same thing and the people don't love with. And if sometimes we talk them beat, I will not do nothing and not do right. They tell us that me and Rose basically are the same boat. The difference with me and Rose, me have somebody to talk because we have a motherly love.
Right.
So now if the evil spirit, my mother say, come out of my yard. My mother not take me out of my yard. That just word of mouth.
Right.
Because my mother can't.
My people, I want to tell me what I think, right? Because at the end of the day, my people, I see Rosealee link up with people already on the internet and she and them tear away. But fear little thing never did really reach to the level where she reached with Akeem right now, with other persons seen, and them tear away and Rosealee done them in the wickedest way and forget about them. What's so special about Akeem now, my people? You feel like say the money or you feel like say the charm? Let me know in the comment section.
Believe me, I'm a big old 44-year-old, I can say. Me sit down on TikTok, all them mother can be in a Congo. Which mother go eat and can in a Congo. Rose don't get no something there. Me sit down on TikTok, if Jake's not cook the Rose can get it. When me sit down on TikTok, my mother cook food, come give me.
Right.
Me eat, sleep, me I'll drop asleep, my mother knock me door. Girl, eat something. Rose don't get them something there. Rose have to depend on Jakes and something to cook me. Me not have to depend on no man because my mother love me. That's why I live in my mother's yard. Because if me not cook, my mother cook and give me.
Okay.
So Rose don't get them something there. So sometimes people feel like awful, Rose awful. Rose not awful, you know. Rose just don't know how to talk soft. And Rose don't know how to explain himself. Because Rose have a big defensive force. Me have a defensive force, you know. Me have it, you know. But what happened is, me bigger than Rose, so sometimes me go back in my calm social mood. Rose hard, me go back in that because Rose and nobody in the corner to call him. You so in time me I crash up on the internet, my sister go start call me, my mother go call me, my cousin them go call me, nobody go start take me and say, Diamond stop, Rose not have that.
Right.
You get where me I come from?
And see it, a lot of people don't know that.
Me and Rose never used to talk on phone like that, you know. We used to just do what we are doing. But now, me and Rose have a connection.
Right.
And Rose not easy to deal with me, I don't know that. Nobody think I sure Rose I put on over yourself. When me dey on phone Rose and I tell Rose not easy to deal with. Because sometimes me at the end of the time what you say. Me hang up in and me say that with you know. You know, like, here one, me put on this. And he say, alright, girl, me I listen.
Okay.
And when me tell him, say, Rose, I know say that way you do it wrong. And he say, alright, me know. Him she face her wrong, them or take her wrong them. You understand me? And me tell her, Rose crash out when nobody now reach out to her and hear the love, she crash out more. You get where me I come from?
Okay.
Rose like when she get the love. When she not get the love, she crash out more. As me tell you, me have that little Down syndrome. Where I call it? Me have a little bipolar this about me like Rose, you know. Me have a tendency when time me say, for you, you know, me chip out, you know.
Right.
Cause me strong, you know, but sometimes negativity them I go lick your six.
Which is true.
That's why when in one group, figure it out, build one group with me. I mean I try avoid it for you and the people not stop drop the negativity in that group. Me get mad and customer. I know them what me know them probably vex sign of the group and chat me. Me get mad and customer back come out of the group. Me tell them say listen, me not want to know for you because nobody now go sit down. Alright. You see what Shebada say? He must have me done. So I like him must have me done. So I understand where I come from. But I never like him at all about business. I never like when time him say, if me feel like when I go to the road because nobody go look for me, that's talking down upon my business. That's the reason why I answer. I never like that. I never say I say nothing wrong to me, you know. But I never like when I talk down upon my business. Because you know, you know as a big comedian, we whoop at people, whether I want batty boy straight or whatever, Shebada still somebody where people look up to like how people look up to me, auntie. You understand me? I say, and if you go up on your big platform and go say, Diamond, you think you can go back on a town now, you go throw it and sell, that's talking down on my business. You see, things like those get me defensive.
Right. And a hustle's a hustle.
Yeah, me not like when nobody talk. Anything you talk on my hustle, I will get defensive, like real defensive for that. Don't talk down on my hustle, I don't like that. Him never really has send up nobody no car. Me tell you with them, they love talk about me dance. Me not dance, I just come stay. Me just back and listen to what them say. I know that he never really has send up the bad like that. But I never like when they say, if me feel like me can't go back or short, and feel so nobody go, that was talking down on my hustle.
Exactly.
And that's the reason why I get defensive. Cause I don't care what Shebada, I'm a comedian who I love Pantala time. He might say I'm bigger than him, or I don't know if he's bigger than me, but I'm a comedian who I love him and girly. I just realize I'm answer him and name attack something. I feel away, you know. Come here, so I shouldn't even answer Shebada, you know. Cause I tell you how I stay. You say I like you, I don't like to cuss with you. When I like you, I cuss you, I see back scream because I feel embarrassed.
Yeah.
That's how I stay. You understand me? But the only reason why me answer Shebada, I never like when I talk down for my hustle. That's my hustle. Don't say nobody now gonna do this or do that. I was born for that. That's my real talent. Nobody in my family no work, auntie. Everybody for me self-employed. Everybody for me wanna shop. Everybody everybody in my family, both mother and father side, they want a business place. My mother have a little shop in my yard. My auntie them have their shop and market and them something. So I'm from a vendor background. Everybody feel self-employed. That's me. Me born that way. I was born as a hustler. My father have been one a store. My father have been store. I'm gonna be a big store where sell everything. Game, tea, all them something. My father have been big store for Western Plaza. Everybody know him. He have been big store. He sell game, he sell all these things. Him do music. Him do all these things. My mother have been shopping in a yard. My auntie them have been shopping at market. So I was from a vendor background.
Alright, my people. Let me know what I think. You know what I mean? Because on a level still, you know, my people. Like, when you come to Rosealee really have a defensive mechanism. You know what I mean? Where it look like, say, over the years, she developed that. And once you have a habit, my people, you now gonna realize, say, yeah, do something wrong because it become a habit. You understand? So, the youth, you know, Akeem kind of bring a different side of Rosealee. You know what I mean? So now me feel like say she a realize certain things and she a try to change. You see me? But let me know what you think.
Like originally from a vendor background. Nobody for me no work. Everybody for me self-employed.
Man, nothing wrong with your hustle.
We come from a business background. See, you see, anything when I touch, I mean that I can fix, and I'm from a business background. That's me.
But Diamond, I lived here for 14 years, right? And what I realized in Jamaica, people that own their own business, the Iglas and all of them, they make money.
Yeah.
They own their own house, their own car. You know what I'm saying? They don't trust nothing. They have everything of their own. So your hustle ain't nothing wrong with it, because I was an Igla. I bought my first 2 cars.
You see,
hustling.
Alright. One time, you know, auntie, me and my mother crash out, you know. We should know we're not perfect. We never really have nothing. Man, the part like my mother said so 1 and 2 things, which they must say, my mother not lie. My mother say we're not perfect, right? My mother, which mother now gonna love them if you buy one land? Listen to what me I say. Come here. Me hear the reason I like you come buy me a reason. Me like talk to people, understand me. Which mother go buy one land and give what are they in pitney there? My mother have 5 pitney. And my mother buy all 5 of our spaces. No, a chair we get space, 2 live overseas, and the next chair we have a space there. Your mother now go love you and buy land and give you space.
That's so true.
Or if your mother think you're not gonna love me, you're not gonna love you and buy land and give you for bills. Remember, my mother buy the land and give my mother have 5 kids, but 2 overseas and share with there. Right. And my mother get all share with space. All share with. And we not pay for no land tax, we not help her pay for nothing, and she pay for everything.
That's the love of a mother, man.
You know, sometimes not perfect, and we are big people. I'm tell about my mother. You see, for my mother not consider me big. She knows want to angle me and judgment me at all time. And she not used to me to answer her back. So you see when me do, when you see me answer her back in front, because sometimes I don't bother with her, I don't pay no mind. But me not realize my mother mouth, dear.
That's my mother mouth. That's a Jamaican mother. A Jamaican mother mouth, not easy. For my mother mouth,
let it up on me, you know. It clap me along me ears temper. Sometimes I say, woman, go on. And then she will say, you know, go tell me, say, woman, go on, I'm a place. And that's how feed me. How will you bill me, give back your money? You understand me?
Yeah.
I'm my mother will go. I'm my mother will go at it. I'm my mother will say, as long as you see me girl, no call to me. I see by 5 minutes, I hear me, mommy! You know, no soap. Mommy! Want a rabbits. Mommy! Here I know, dirty girl, me I come. Yeah?
Yeah.
So Rose not have that connection there.
Alright, okay, I understand now.
So me and Rose basically go through the same trauma, but me still have a connection because I have a mother in love.
Yeah.
And we you see, as long as you is a child growing up and you don't get a mother in love, it's wicked for you love people. It's hard. You don't even go love yourself.
So true.
Oh.
Yes, true. She tell her friend, say, it makes she do her breast because the authorities won't put her back on the plane to Jamaica if she have her breast. That's why one bigger than one because the doctor here see and do them.
Bumbo. My pussy flat, you know. Dear. Talking your language, baby. My dear. Alright, Destiny. Destiny.
Look here, when she speak the language, it sound like she have salary in her mouth. She come like well, you see them in that dirty boy the fool, no?
Next time I'm black kid, oh. She's a idiot turnstile, a big idiot. What on no? All my Nigerian friend knows somebody that said, hold on. Mama call my friend Elsa. Hold on. Hey babe, what's up?
What's poppin'?
Yeah, I'm on live. Didn't you know that me and this Destiny person wasn't? You know I was planning, right?
What?
No, you know that me and Destiny wasn't friends, even though me and you talk, right? Okay, then. I'ma plan everything for you, Batty boy. Me and him kick up on the light because him thief somebody money. I'ma tell him the truth and him want to cuss me. I'ma just cuss him back and say, Batty man, me never want a friend from you. Me they a plan for a long blood clot time. I truly never know say me they go catch him. I truly want to hold him.
They say keep your friends closer and your enemies close.
Thank
like
you.
What? So because I watched your life and you guys were talking about paper and the bank and something.
Yes.
What's happening?
Him thief one get him send money to her account for her page and him dispute it and the bank block her PayPal and to me tell him the truth him come here but me never want a friend from me say Destiny and me never want a friend from you ask anybody
because you knew you can never trust a person like that.
Oh.
We were talking about it. I'm sure we have it in the chat. We was talking about it. You can never trust a person like that. She's a flip-flop. Whatever it suits her, she goes. Him, her, whatever it is.
Yeah. Me tell him, me say me chat your Batty boy. Answer, baby. Me chat.
We have it in the chat.
Okay.
You were laughing like stupid Destiny. Now she's licking your bum. Ah, shit. We Europe girls. Yang, 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 yang. Stupid.
Him never know somebody that plan for him like Batty boy. Me did a plan for your Batty boy. Ask anybody. Me did a plan for you. Me never was your friend.
Because I was shocked. I was like, shit, what is you doing? You say, watch me, bitch.
Yeah. Remember when you see me and him, you was like, babe, what are you doing? I said, just look.
I was like, what the fuck going on? You was like, don't worry, babe, watch me. I said, I trust you, Shay.
Yeah, bitch.
And we was talking about it. You can never trust a person like that because she's a flip-flop.
Alright, my people, let me know what you think in the comment section. I'll watch some more and then me go end it.
Every day we say we want you come to Belgium. You know what time me and my friend I say we want you come to Belgium would have give some blood clot lick.
Yes, we was waiting, like begging about, oh yeah, I'm gonna come Belgium. Bitch, nobody invite you, you invite yourself. That's weird. What she not talking about how you living in Belgium? Why you wanna come and visit her?
Blood clot. Like you feel like say you did have friends with me. Me tell them on TikTok so them don't know me. Me dey a plan for him long blood clot time.
You was just waiting.
Fuck.
What?
You mad? You could have trust me after you cuss my pity them so how that
Never. Exactly. Stupid. What the fuck? You cannot be that stupid. Destiny is stupid, man.
bad. Like you know pick up, you know see. Like you say, oh me can't talk back to this girl and my class start pity them so.
I would never trust a person that I cuss the way that Destiny cuss you. What the fuck talking about your children? Like this trying to destroy you. And you think that person will ever be your friend?
No.
Come on.
Mad. This is Elsa. This is my friend from Nigeria. Me telling me and her did in a prison together. She know everything. She can't tell you no. Me and Destiny never was no friend. Ask her. We have been on the chat. I plan for catch him and she said, babe, when him come to Belgium, tell we can we gonna meet him, blood clot and lick him. You hear that, Destiny? I don't know when you feel like some me friend.
Never friend. Never. Every time you guys was on live, she was like, oh shit. You never gave her that energy.
Right. And when me and him there on the live, me and you text and chat him.
Laughing. Look at Destiny begging, licking your bum. She was all up in your bum, licking. Bitch, what the fuck?
I really idiot for feel like say me that really be friend. You're fooling.
Never. That proves how stupid